Right, I am tossing it across to my colleague Sahil Joshi, our Mumbai bureau chief, who will take us through the top story this afternoon, which is, of course, the Narcotics Control Bureau's drug bust off the high seas in Mumbai. Sahil, over to you.
Well, Paulmi, a high-profile rave party have been busted by the Narcotics Control Bureau off the Mumbai coast on a cruise liner, which was supposed to go from Mumbai to Goa. But yesterday afternoon, the NCB officials got on the ship. They had a particular information that in a disguise of the cruise liner, there is going to be a rave party as well. But of course, the cruise liner have given a statement that 10 people were offloaded from the ship as and when they got to know that these people have been stopped by the NCB. The NCB searched the whole ship and finally 10 people were offloaded. When we spoke to the Narcotics Control Bureau's Zonal Director, Samir Wankhede, he confirmed that the Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son, what he told us is that the Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan Khan, was also present at the cruise and he is currently being questioned by NCB after being detained. According to the NCB sources, that Aryan Khan's phone has also been seized. That is the usual procedure. What the Narcotics Control Bureau does is that they have taken off the phone. The dump will be taken from the phone. What the NCB is trying to find out is that how this chain of events had happened. Who organized the party? Who was the supplier? NCB also claims the official statement by the NCB clearly says that the drugs like MDMA, cocaine and quantity of charas has also been seized from these people. The 10 people were offloaded. 8 people have now been detained and they are being questioned. They may be arrested at any point of time. That's what the NCB sources are telling us at this point of time. They are also told us that 2 out of 8 are women. There are some girls also in that group who also have been detained. NCB has given no confirmation as far as the details of the arrests are concerned, but the procedure is on. We have also got to know from the sources of NCB, this is the exclusive information what we have got, is that according to the exclusive details accessed by India Today, another high-profile person called Arbaz merchant also have been detained along with Aryan Khan in the cruise. The NCB has in fact recovered some drugs. That's what the NCB sources are claiming, that Arbaz have been detained along with Aryan Khan and he's the one from whom the drugs was found. The details sent by the cruise liner also clearly mentions that the drugs were recovered from the baggage of these people and that's why they were offloaded. Of course, they have not mentioned any name, but the details given by the NCB clearly shows that there are 8 names. I can read out those names for you. There are 8 names who have been detained right now and are likely to be arrested. How many people out of these 8 people will be arrested we'll come to know in a while. But these 8 names are Munmun Dhamecha, Nupur Sarika, Smith Singh, Mohak Jaiswal, Vikrant Chokar, Gomit Chopra, Aryan Khan and Arbaz Merchant. These are the 8 names which NCB says that they have been detained and they are being questioned at this point of time. The NCB has also summoned 6 party organizers for questioning because of course they would like to know that whether this party was specifically organized, telling people that there are going to be drugs, there will be drugs available for this particular party or not, because the cruise liner had 500 odd people there on the cruise. The cruise was organized for the festive season, so of course the cruise already had the parties and etc. But this particular group was called on the ship specifically for the rave party. That's what that's what the NCB sources are telling us. Let's look at the reactions coming out from the ship. The people who were offloaded from the ship, the people who could not board the ship because of these raids yesterday night. Let's take a look at that.
कुछ लोगों को इंटरसेप्ट किया है हमने और उनकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू है अभी कुछ भी कहना इट विल बी वेरी प्रीमेच्योर. ड्रग हैज बीन रिकवर्ड और ये सब मैं नहीं बता पाऊंगा आपको. आई विल प्रॉपर्ली इशू एंड.
सर कितने लोग ताबीब लिया गया है?
8 से 10 जनों को अभी वी आर इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग देम.
People still come in buses with people still come in But some people just turning back home. But there is a big line, there is a lot of police. So they're trying to make people go on one line. But so much fight was inside, just like, my God, crazy.
There are reports coming that the drugs were found being consumed on the cruise. Do you have any information about it? Hence, because you were inside.
Oh, of course, no. I heard this was so much police, but drugs was found inside somewhere in the cruise. Yeah, outside I didn't see.
In few minutes of time after this, the arrest memo is likely to be served. There have been questions since morning. Divyesh, Pankaj, Tanseem and Saurabh Vakhtania are tracking the story closely. We'll come back to you with more details. Right now, we are going on a short break.